Let's leave a video on Brody's vlog. Let's leave a video on Brody's vlog. Let's leave a video on Brody's vlog.
Not if I steal it and take it home with me.
You guys. These are so good. Is there really hairspray on them? Because I'll be pissed.
Yeah.
Why would there be hairspray on them? Whatever, they don't taste like
Because they're so sweet for decoration. I'm supposed to eat them.
How long have they been in there?
I'm a diva. 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 I'm a
Na diva is a female version of a hustler. Of a hustler. Of a hustler. Na diva is a...
How long have they been in there?
A couple of weeks.
Yum.
Some
How many
months.
weeks?